everybody, this is me, Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have bought some collard greens, and I will be showing you all how to clean them, how to cut them, and how to freeze them. Okay, I'm going to get it ready for Thanksgiving for me and my family to eat, and we love greens, so I just wanted to show you how to, again, clean them, cut them, and put them in a bag to freeze them. So let's get started. All right, so what I do first is just go ahead. The ones that we bought came with the rubber band on it. So I'm just gonna cut this rubber band off. Just put it to the side. All right, and this is the way that my mom taught me when I was coming up, because she used to always get these greens like this and cut them up herself. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them and cut them like right in this area. You know, you don't wanna cut any of the leaves off or anything. So I'm just gonna cut right in this section here. All right. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do next, I'm just gonna take my leaves here, and you see it's the stem here and the leaves right here. I'm just going to remove the leaves from the stem because I don't want to eat the stem. Okay, some people may, and if you want to leave it on, just leave it on, that's fine, but I'm not going to leave mine on. So all you do again is take the leaf, fold it back in this, like this in this section, and just take it, hold the leaves, and just remove it from the stem. And I go pretty much all the way up until about right here, and I just pull it off. And I always get any leaves that I may have left on it. All right, so grab the stem, the leaves, and just pull the leaves off the stem, just like so, okay? And these are some pretty big leaves on these collards. And I found these at one of our local grocery stores. They had them on sale. It was like $2 and I think right at $2.30. So I went ahead and bought some. I may have to go back and buy some more. It just depends. But I wanted to go ahead and clean these and freeze these here. All right, so now that you see what I am doing, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the other leaves, and I will be back once I get ready to wash them and cut them up. Okay, so as you see, I have finished pulling off my leaves off of my greens off the stems, and this is how it looks after I finish with everything. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be cutting my greens and preparing them to for me to clean them and to put in the freezer. And some people will clean their greens when they're like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine up, okay? So I have my knife, and I just hold my greens in this, just like this, in between my my fingers like this, and all I do is I just cut them just like this, okay? And my knife probably could be a little sharper, but it's okay, it's gonna work. All right. All right, so just grab some more bunches and just cut. Okay, everyone, so you see I have cut up my greens, and I just have these few right here to finish cutting up. So just want to show you again how I cut mine up. Just hold them in your hands, and just cut. All right, just trying to make sure your knife is really sharp. All right, so I am done with that. So now, what I normally do is go back and look and just make sure that I don't have any really big green leaves, you know, the leaves for the collard greens, because I don't like mine to be just real big. And normally what I do is just go back and kind of cut it again. But if you like the larger greens, that's fine with you know, with however you like it, or whomever you're cooking for. So this is pretty much what I do, is just go back and and you can, you know, when you get to this point, you can take your hand and shred it. That's fine, but I still just use my knife since I got it out. All right, so I think everything is pretty good with that. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add water in my sink here. And now it's the time to wash the greens, okay? And what my mom used to always do, and like I said, I learned from my mom, so this is how I'm doing it. She always took salt, and this is just the sea salt that I had, the coarse sea salt. And it's not going to be salty or anything. This is just to get any dirt or anything out of your greens. And you know, greens come from outside, so you want to make sure they're clean. All right, so all I'm doing is just adding some of this sea salt in to my greens. All right, just like so. Okay, and I'm going to take them and I'm just going to clean it. I'll just kind of scrub them really well. And while I'm doing mine, I'm just kind of pulling them apart still. So I'm going to turn this off. All right. Just get them really well and get them clean real good. And as you see how the water look, the water is green. But of course the collards are green, so but you want to make sure that you continue to wash them until it's clear. Just get in there really well. And I usually wash mine maybe about 2 times. Just depends on how dirty they are. And these here are pretty clean. So okay, so now this is the second time that I'm washing my greens. And as you see, the water is not as green as it was the first time. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash them probably one more time. Make sure they're good and clean. I like mine to be good and clean. All right. Okay, so now this is my 3rd time washing my greens. As you see, there's barely any green at all. So that means it's clean, they're clean, and it's time to start bagging them up to put them in the freezer. And I will be cooking them probably Tuesday or Wednesday go ahead and get them done. So yeah, so I just wanted to show you this. So now I'm going to go ahead and bag them. And what you can use is our freezer bags if you have those. I don't have any, so what I'm going to be using are these bags that I got from the grocery store. These are the ones that I'm going to be using to bag mine up. But like I said, you can use freezer bags. Okay, so what I do to freeze mine, I just take a handful out of the water and just hold it up and let the water drain out. All right, like so. And all I do is take them and just place them directly into my bag. So this can be, again, like I said before, if you're using a freezer bag, you just add it to your freezer bag, okay? Make sure you don't leave any greens. You know, you want to make sure you get everything that you paid for. So I'm going to be getting all of this and adding it to my bag, regardless of how small it is. Put it over in your bag. All right. Okay, so this is how it looks once I have put all of my greens. I have shown you how to wash them, cut them, and to freeze them. So like I said before, you can put them in a freezer bag, but I put them in just this bag that I have here. So this is how it looks, and I'm just going to close it up and put it in my freezer. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, all right? Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload new videos. And I will see you in my next video. You all be blessed and have a great and wonderful day. Bye.